I have no problem to have peoples to work together. Kintu, I would love that people become true, people become virtue, and people become man, woman. We love each other with honesty. Otherwise, we are teaching the wrong things. Let us try to teach each other the right things. This is my and I like to be remembered as a man, God-fearing man. I like to be remembered by everybody that God-fearing man. If I do not have fearing for God, I will do any rubbish thing. So when I fear God, I cannot see Him, but He see me. This is what my heart felt finally. You have bound me to tell the last things. Thank you.